In this class we will learn how to configure some of the View Cube display and appearance options. With the previous class file open, let's get started. First we will learn how to reset the view position to front or top. We click on the view shown and the template is aligned on the screen. Now we right-click on the visualization cube and in the Set Current View As option we have the options top and front. We click on top and returning to the original view of the model. Note how the position of the views has been changed, and clicking on the top view we have the one we have defined. By default, when we click this icon, which is the home field of the visualization cube, Inventor displays the model in 3D. We can change this view as follows. First we must position the model on the desktop as desired. Then we right-click on the cube, select the option Set Current View As Home and click on the option Fixed Distance. See that now, when we click on the Home option, we have this view set as the initial view. This procedure causes the current position of the template on the desktop to become the default view. Thus, when we click to view the model in the initial view, the software will always show this setting as the default. Proceeding, right-click on the cube, click on Options and see that a box appears for new settings. Let's look at some. In the Display field, under On-Screen Position, we can set the position of the cube on the screen, that is, place the cube in any of the four corners of the screen. The default location is top right. In View Cube Size we define the size of the cube, and the default setting is automatic. Depending on the size and resolution of the screen, the large option, for example, can take up a lot of space, and the tiny option can be very small. In Inactive Opacity we set the transparency of the cube when the cursor is not positioned over it, which, by default, is 50%. To return to the default settings, simply click this option. And so we finished this lesson, where we saw the main settings available in the Command View Cube, valid for part and assembly files.